Now we'll welcome to Fox Domotics. We'll learn how to do the installation of tubular motor. This is a 35 mm motor. The diameter of this motor is 35 mm. This is a pipe, 40 mm pipe. This motor goes inside this pipe. These are the two L bracket, one with round hole and another with square hole. This is a drive adapter which goes inside the motor shaft. This is idler. It goes on another side of the pipe. It has got a spring. In the motor we have a crown. This is known as crown, which goes inside the motor at the far end and gets locked. Now we'll see how to fix the drive adapter to the motor. We'll put this plain side inside and get it locked with the lock pin provided with the kit. This is the way how we have to put this. We have to press. Now this is locked. Now drive adapter is locked inside. The next part is the motor is ready to go inside the pipe. Now we'll put the motor inside the pipe. Here it gets stuck. Now we have to make a U hole over here, U cut in the pipe so that it goes inside. Now we'll take the motor out, take the exo blade, cut it. See, this is the U-shaped cut inside the pipe. We'll smooth it with file as required. After doing so, we'll put the motor inside and check if it is perfectly cut or not. Now we'll see if it is going inside. Yeah, now it's perfectly done. That's wonderful. Okay, now we'll take the motor out. Now we'll see how this motor can be fixed to the pipe. We'll take the measurement. We'll put the pipe till this end and hold it. Take a marker and put a marking in the center of this drive adapter. We'll put a hole over here, and we can put two holes, one on this side and on opposite side. Okay, just turn it around. We can put a hole here as well. Okay, now once the hole is done, see here the hole is done. Now to put the screw into the plastic, it will not go directly. You have to put a small hole inside this, or drill a small hole. And this also put a small hole. we can put a screw. Stop. Control.
पूरा अच्छे से.
This is a half inch screw, 1/4 inch screw, a small screw. It should go inside this. Now we'll fix it up. Now see this screw, it should flush. Okay. Now next part is putting the idler on the another side. This entire set is ready. One square goes on the motor side, round goes on the idler side. Okay, now this is the way. This bracket can be put on the ceiling in this format and on the wall in this format. Okay, whatever way the installation is. If it is inside, you will put screws over here. Okay, now first we have to fix this particular. First we have to fix these two brackets on the top. This is the motor side. Square bracket is on the motor side where you have left your phase neutral wire. This bracket should be on that side, and this should be on another side, on the idler side. Now once you have fixed this, we take the exact measurement from here to here. This is how we measure the entire thing. Now we have to take the measurement from here to here. Now if suppose this is 12 inches, this is 12 inches. While cutting the pipe of the same dimension, we have to check, we have to minus this much of the motor, that is approximately 3/4 inch. So the pipe will be smaller 3/4 inch of the total.